Welcome to the final part of how to open a laptop. I've got 5 screws to take out now. I've got these 3 here, and I've got the 2 in each corner. Once these screws are out, I should be able to separate the 2 panels. Now these screws are out, gently put your finger around each of the sides to try and find a good place to pull it up. I don't know it yet, but there's actually still a screw holding it together. Don't worry, I will find it eventually. If you can't take them apart, like I can't here, that usually does indicate that there's a screw still in. You should never force the sections apart because you will break something. There's the screw there. I don't know if you noticed, but I forgot to take the wireless LAN card out in the last video, so I'm going to do it now. Now I have these out, the 2 sections will separate easily. The power jack on this laptop is not fixed onto the main motherboard, but instead it has a separate board. This is a good thing because it means you can just buy a new power jack board instead of desoldering a faulty jack and replacing it with a new one. In fact, this particular model is well known for having power jack issues. On nearly all motherboards there are little white arrows that mean that those screws are the only ones you need to remove in order to remove the motherboard from the case. This motherboard has only 2 screws you need to remove. As you can see, this motherboard is very dusty. Dust can cause laptops to overheat and cause strange behaviours. I'm just having a look at the power jack here because this is the only 3680 that has come to me with a good power jack. Usually the soldering points there come away. I'm now trying to see if I can see if there's anything wrong with the motherboard as it has a fault. Just here there seems to be a white patch that would indicate a liquid damaged motherboard. The liquid damage has actually gone through both sides. There's a white patch just there. Now I'm going to unattach the power jack board. There's two screws holding this on. On this power jack board there's also USB ports, and there's a power button. That's the little power button just there. It's really dusty, this laptop. I hope the couple of mistakes I made during these videos will help you not to make the same mistakes. Thanks for watching.